Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 16, 2025, just yesterday. The standout is a two-part framework that lets agents run long, web-based investigations without getting lost, and it reaches state-of-the-art on 6 tough benchmarks, even surpassing frontier proprietary systems. The paper is titled WebResearcher, Unleashing Unbounded Reasoning Capability in Long-Horizon Agents, and as we will see later, the results are really impressive. It introduces an iterative research process plus a scalable data engine, and it even scales at test time through parallel multi-agent synthesis. Also, the authors shared an open-source repo for Tongi Deep Research. You will find the full agent code with agent and web agent modules, inference and evaluation scripts, a quick start with environment setup, model download links, benchmarks, and datasets tips. The README outlines features, training pipeline highlights, and how to run React in heavy modes. So, Figure 1 shows that the approach leads the pack on 2 tough benchmarks, which signals stronger long-horizon research capability. The figure compares model scores on humanity's last exam and BrowseComp, where higher bars mean better task success. The heavy setting tops humanity's last exam, and it also edges out proprietary systems on BrowseComp. These gains matter because they show consistent advantages across text-only and web browsing tasks. Alright, Figure 2 contrasts 2 mindsets, linear stuffing versus tidy rounds. The top timeline shows mono-contextual accumulation that mixes signal with noise, which leads to context limits and degraded answers. The bottom workflow shows iterative deep research, where the agent thinks, writes a concise report as central memory, then chooses an action. The workspace is reconstructed each round, so only the question, report, and latest tool response persist. So Figure 3 shows how the data engine turns raw documents into challenging, trustworthy question-answer pairs through 3 stages. The pipeline begins with a summary agent that condenses a corpus into text chunks, which the item writer agent uses to create seed questions. Task complexity then escalates with tool use, because the agent iteratively broadens scope and links multiple sources. A multi-stage quality control pass filters errors and duplicates, so only refined, fact-checked items remain. Table 1 makes the headline concrete. The iterative agent leads general web navigation and reasoning benchmarks because it sustains depth without bloating context. The table groups systems into general models, with tools, commercial deep research agents, open source agents, and the proposed variants. The heavy setting posts the strongest accuracy on humanity's last exam and matches or surpasses top proprietary results on BrowseComp. The consistent margin across groups signals that periodic consolidation and focused workspaces translate into real task success. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Iterative deep research with periodic consolidation breaks the context wall and fixes errors midstream, and the synthetic data engine reliably teaches multi-step, tool-grounded reasoning. The broader implication is clear. Long-horizon agents can scale via parallel research and synthesis to surpass proprietary systems. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.